La 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 la.
Susie! Susie! Sue!
What is it, Sammy? Where's the fire?
Sue, I just met our neighbor. You know, that one, not Roger. And he wants to redesign his beach house.
Well, good for him.
Did you hear what I just said? He wants a new design. That's something you and I can do. Plus, I sorta already promised him
A design?
a scale model.
Sammy!
What? Aren't you always the one saying we need to help our neighbors?
Well, yeah, like loaning them sugar or batteries, but... okay, come on.
Woo! Hi guys! Today Sue and I are doing something really important. We're helping other people.
I doubt that our design idea is really that important, but okay. Hi, guys. So, Sammy, you said a beach house. We'll make it compact but functional. Let's set up this wall first to divide the space between the patio and the studio.
Good that you left some space for a pool here, Susie. The client mentioned one.
Well, it's good that you told me about that before I started.
Oopsie, my bad.
Maybe there's something else I should know about what the client wants.
He might have mentioned something about a piano.
Okay, I think we'll have room for that. Anything else?
He used to be a sailor, so he really wants something nautical in the house.
Okay, we'll think of something at the interior design stage. But let's start with the exterior, or the outside part of the beach house. Sammy, would you be so kind as to pass me a few more of these?
A lawn around the pool? What a refreshing idea!
Thank you. We'll glue it right here.
Guys, if you've missed other miniature houses we've built, you can find them on our channel. But first, watch this till the end.
And that's it. Now let's make the entrance door look neat. Much better.
Sue, where should I put this patio furniture?
Right here, Sammy. Next to this house-like bookshelf.
I like the way the anchor looks here. Can we put something nautical on the other side too?
Alrighty.
Ah, now you're talking. Sue, let's put these in the pool to make it look more real.
Great idea, Sammy. One goes here and another one right here. Huh, looks cool.
You bet, Susan. I'm the great master of design, don't you remember? Ta-da!
Wow, Sammy. You even thought about the lighting. Guys, give Sammy a thumbs up. I also have a few ideas on how to make it brighter here, even at night. Let's put these wires through the opening.
I don't want to seem too picky, but don't you think the ladder could be more creative?
And it will be, Sammy, when we start building the second floor. This is just the element of decor. Let's place it right here. See? Don't worry, Sammy. I know you're a one-of-a-kind designer, but I also have a few tricks of my own. Check this out.
Not bad.
Oh, what a high praise.
A diving board? We can hold diving competitions!
Did you forget that this model is not for our house?
Right. I'll go ask our neighbor. Maybe he'll like this idea too.
While Sam's away, we can check out what we've done. Perfect. This piano goes along with the chair. I wonder where Sammy is. Have you seen him, guys?
I'm here, Susie. I've cleared it with the neighbor. Also, look what I made.
Wow, check this out, guys. It's a lighthouse. It looks so realistic, and it's literally going to light the house. Great job, Sam.
Thumbs up to me. I'm Sam, the builder of lighthouses. Woo! It's an important job, right, Sue?
Of course, Sammy. They'd build lighthouses in ancient times to help sailors find their way back to the mainland. Actually, the most famous one, the Lighthouse of Alexandria, was built many years ago. It's even considered to be one of the wonders of the world.
Ooh, I've got so many design ideas. Be right back.
While someone is full of ideas, I have plenty of work to do. First, let's make our furniture cozier. That's better. And one more detail. It's a coffee table to complete this furniture set. The owner of the house will need a place to sleep, so the next step is to assemble the bed. Cool! I like it! But let's also add a wonderful blanket. Love it! As well as this headboard.
Aha! A nautical-style comforter. You read my mind, Sue. I can take that off of my checklist.
Great minds think alike, Sammy. What else do you have there?
The sailor's bedroom. Oh no! Sue, we forgot about the second floor!
Relax, Sammy. Look, I'm about to finish with the stairs.
All I can see is a bunch of wood and a rope.
Oh, come on, Sammy. Think creatively. We'll have something that resembles a rope ladder on the ship. Only this is not a ladder, but a banister. We'll glue the rest, and you'll see.
Sue, I've never doubted your creativity, but I still don't get it.
Don't worry, Sammy. Just give me one more minute. Hop, hop, hop. Guys, be careful with the glue and all these tiny pieces.
Now I see it, Sue. I bet our client will love it.
Then help me and make another banister for the second floor.
Aye aye, Captain Sue.
And the staircase is finally done. Now we need to make sure that it leads somewhere. But before we set up the second floor, let's decorate this area. It's better to do that now. Now the walls don't look empty, right? And the lighting. We'll hide the wires and set the lamp here, like that. That's a perfect place for our piano, as promised.
Ahoy, Susan! The banister is ready. What? Holy cannoli! You started the most interesting part without me!
Come on, Sammy. There's plenty of work for both of us. Wanna set the staircase?
Of course. Bibbidi bobbidi subscribidi. All done.
This room needs to be bright, so we'll put your lighthouse right here, Sammy. The wires go down, and done.
I'll get the couch. And the armchair. Some cushions. Ouch! I'm tired, Sue. I'm out of energy. Need some chocolate.
Okay, Sammy. I'll take it from here. There we go. A small rug goes here. It looks like a net and it will remind the house's owner of the sea. Here comes the coffee table. I also added this cute candle. But it still looks a bit empty, don't you think, guys? I've got an idea! That's better. Hey, Sammy! Are you feeling recharged yet? It's time to decorate the master bedroom!
Let's do this, Susie! Well, seems a bit tricky to put that bed here. Carrying it along these stairs with my backache.
Okay, I got it, Mr. Grand Helper. I'll do it myself. We'll put the banister made by Sam right here. The owner of the house can feel like they're on deck of a ship while standing here. Done.
Every night in my dreams, I see you.
Oh, Sammy, no Titanic story here.
Oh, why?
Nothing's gonna wreck, and nobody's gonna fall into the ocean.
Yeah, thanks to protective measures.
I like your idea, Sammy. This one goes here, and the other one here. Perfect. Let's add a few pictures on both sides of the bed. Oh, I love how this is coming out. If I were one of our viewers, I'd give so many likes.
And would you subscribe to our channel?
Definitely. We're almost there. Let's use a little bit of magic to make everything perfect. 1, 2, 3.
Ooh, let me try. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Susie! It didn't work, Sue!
Look, you've conjured some plants and greenery on the patio.
Wow, so it did work!
We could make it worse if we remove this.
No, don't you dare! We can't show people something that is worse than perfect!
Okay, Sammy, but we need to check one more tiny thing in our beach house. Great! It works!
show this to the client. Before he decides to ask somebody else to do the design.
Wait, what? Sammy, I thought we had a deal. Oh, and by the way, is he gonna pay for this scale model?
Well, I might have forgotten to ask that.
Samuel!
Fine, I'll go find him and ask about everything.
Don't you want to say goodbye to our viewers first?
Right, I forgot. Bye, guys. It was fun making this craft with you today.
Yep, thank you. And I hope you liked our beach house. Hit the bell button so you don't miss our next crafts. Have a good day. Bye!